Hello guys, welcome to another tutorials on Chat Ideas YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking on how you can easily redirect your domain name from an old domain to the new one, or how you can easily migrate your domain from the website you don't want anymore to a new one. Okay, so we are going to search for the extension. Meanwhile, this is my name chip cpanel. So we are going to search for redirect. Okay, you can see it here. You can see the add-on here, redirect. Okay, it's a very simple one. Please, you have to follow carefully. Permanent redirect. If you want a permanent redirect 301, you can click this. Or if you want a temporary redirect 302, you can click on this. But most times, what we want is permanent redirect. So you click here. So meanwhile, the domain that you want to redirect from must be added to your add-on domain on your cpanel. Okay, so you click here. Let's say we are redirecting learningq.com. Okay, and you scroll down. If it's just one page you want to redirect, you can put the URL of the page here, but we just want to redirect it to another domain entirely. Let's say we are redirecting it to these notes. This is for tutorial purpose. We are redirecting it here. Okay, only redirect with www. Redirect with or without www. Do not redirect www. Wildcard redirect. Okay, so if you are going to use redirect with or without www, so I prefer that. But if you are going to click on the wildcard redirect, meaning all the properties in the previous domain will going to be transferred to the new domain, and I think that's good for SEO. So you click add here. But for the sake of these tutorials, I'm not clicking add because I don't want to redirect my domain. So I just want to teach you how you can possibly redirect your domain. Okay, so this is the domain I've redirected and all of that. So that's very easy, very easy and simple. That's how you can redirect your domain, just a click. Okay, thanks for watching this YouTube tutorials. If you like our videos, kindly subscribe, like our videos, or comment in the comment section below. We appreciate every comment and we also reply as fast as we can.